Hello everyone, welcome to grade 4 at first, and I am Miss Gina, your science teacher, your new science teacher. So from today onwards I'll be teaching science for grade 4. So today we'll start with disease. As you can see on the word D-I-S-E-A-S-E, disease. Today we are going to discuss about disease. What is disease? How many types of diseases are there, and what condition is termed as disease. So we will learn today, okay? And disease भन्ने बित्तिकै what तपाईहरुको माइन्डमा आउँछ होला नि रोग हैन. So sometimes we have headache, stomach ache, whole body pain ache, and then we don't feel like doing anything. We feel inactive, lazy. Such conditions can be termed as disease. If you see now, now COVID-19, COVID-19 ko karanle we are wearing masks, gloves, and we are sitting in quarantine and being isolated from friends, from the world, in the room. That means we are protecting ourselves from getting a disease. Okay, so today we will learn what is disease. Okay, and here's an definitions for you. A state of being ill or condition that causes discomfort in our body. So disease means a state of being ill or condition that causes discomfort in our body. If you see, like a healthy person, he or she can do everything, right? Like he or she can jump, go here and there, eat everything, and then here like activeness is there. But sometimes like when we feel uneasy, like due to the certain abnormal condition of our body, like when our body parts does not functions well, we feel inactive, like lazy, we don't feel like doing anything, and we just like to sleep and take rest. Okay, so such conditions are known as disease. So such conditions when we don't feel like doing anything and our body parts it's not functioning well, such abnormal condition in our body can be termed as disease. Okay, as we have discussed what is disease, let's see how many types of diseases are there. So there are two types of disease. One is communicable disease and another one is non-communicable disease. Communicable disease means a disease that transmits from one person to another person or from animal to person. Communicable disease भनेको एउटा मान्छेबाट अर्को मान्छेलाई सजिलै सार्ने. Okay, अनि non communicable disease, a disease that does not transmit from one person to another person. Non communicable भनेको चाहिँ एउटा मान्छेबाट अर्को मान्छेसँग नसर्ने. So communicable disease, how does it transmit? Okay, so it transmits through air, through water, and it can be transmitted from the blood, when we go and give blood, and then if it's contaminated, so such things. And then it also transmit from the like droplets that coming when we sneeze, like now we are facing that problem from COVID-19, like maintain 1 meter distance and like sneezing while covering your mouth, using masks. And then it can be also transmitted from coming in direct contact with infected persons. So non-communicable disease, as we said, it does not transmit from one person to another person, but it can be genetic in a sense. If like there are disease that is from your grandfather and comes to your father, and from father to your heredity. So it can be like genetic, and then it can be even from your own body. If some body parts are not functioning well, then you will have that disease, like sometimes like kidney failure, stone. So that are the disease that comes because your body is not functioning well. So disease and state of being ill or discomfort of our body. And there are two types of disease. One is communicable disease and the another one is non-communicable disease. Communicable disease, a disease that transmits from one person to another person. Non-communicable disease, the disease that does not transmit from one person to another person. So for today, this much, and I'll see you in my next video with some more communicable disease, name, causes, symptoms and preventive measures. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.